So event season is here. So garden parties, black tie events, galas, weddings, and I want to show you how to tie the perfect bow tie. So I want to make this video because so many of my clients have been in a bind. So I need my bow tie tied, help. You're either on destination or you're in the car on the way down to the gala. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is going to sound a little weird, but I'm going to tie the bow tie around my leg. It's the way I was taught. And for me, it's the easiest way and most precise to get the perfect knot. First, what you'd want to do is to essentially make a short end and a long end. So I'm right-handed, so I always like to have the short end in my right hand, like so. So long, short. So what I like to do is I like to envision my end product. So what I'm doing is I'm folding over the short end, so it's actually showing what my bow tie will actually look like. I'm envisioning it. I'm envisioning the end. So then I take my long end with the stem and loop it over the top and then loop it underneath. And again, this makes it easy for me to manipulate on my leg so I can really pull on it. And this satin and silk is really strong, so you can really get after this to make the tie really nice and tight. Okay, now that we're there, you'll see this is where the long end has to flip to be right here in the end. So in order to do that, just for the video, I'm going to show you side A and side B. So side A has to make its way through the center knot. So as side A is going through, you want to pull side B also with keeping the pointed end on your right side. And what this does, it gives you the ability to give some slack and pull it really nice and tight. As you can see, side A was here and side B was here. I'll just do that one more time just so you can see it. A and B. And what I'm doing right now is I'm finding the tension on each of the points that I've created, and you can kind of feel where to give and pull. Really serious video about a bow tie, by the way. Making this the best bow tie I can. And voila, perfect dimples, even sides, a little bit of an unbalance, but I think that gives a nice hand-tied feel. And there you go, bow tie complete. So for the most important part, getting it off your leg, right? So stand up, take it, no, just kidding. Just spin it around and it's just an easy button. Precise. So now you're ready to go to your party and look amazing. Okay, thank you for viewing this video. Join me next week where I show you how to tie your shoes. Just kidding. Hopefully you know how to tie a bow tie now. You know, I'm sick of everyone calling me and texting me and, hey Jordan, I need to tie your bow tie. But if you do need to call me or text me, my info's right on the bottom of the screen, and we'll see you very soon.